Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on Chrome OS. First, we will ensure your device is ready for Android applications. Most modern Chrome OS devices come with Google Play Store support built in, but it is always good to confirm this setting. Checking for software updates will also prepare your system for the best possible experience. A fast and reliable internet connection is fundamental for a smooth game download and uninterrupted gameplay. To get started, open your device's settings menu, which you can usually find by clicking the clock or notification area in the bottom right corner. Look for the Apps section and then the Google Play Store option. You will simply need to toggle it on if it is currently disabled. This process might ask you to agree to a few terms, so just review them and accept to proceed. With the Google Play Store enabled, open it just like any other app from your launcher. Use the search bar at the top to find PUBG Mobile. Once you locate the official game, simply tap Install. Be mindful that the game is quite large, often requiring more than 1 GB of storage space, so verify you have enough room before starting the download. After installation, launch PUBG Mobile and head into its in-game settings. You should adjust the graphics to a lower or balanced setting to ensure smooth gameplay, especially on less powerful devices. Connecting an external Bluetooth mouse and keyboard can drastically improve your aiming and movement accuracy. Also, take some time to customize the control layout to make sure all actions feel intuitive for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.